Hello, good afternoon people. Today's weather is very sunny. Sun is on top. It's noon time and today is Sunday. So we are approaching towards Australia and we have a storm ahead of us. Name of the storm is Muifa and it has become a typhoon. So let's see. We have been plotting the position of the storm regularly, but we have to see how the storm is moving. So we are monitoring the weather right now, and sea is right now very calm. As you can see, it's very bright sunny day today. So today is Sunday, so I'm going for biryani. Today is biryani. Sunday is always biryani on ship. Hello people, good evening. So we have come alongside at Dampier, Australia, and in a few hours the cargo operation is about to start. I am on bridge. I came to take off my GoPro, which was on time lapse. So in another 1.5 hours my watch will also start. I just came from half stations. I had my dinner. I relieved with the third officer for dinner, and now I have some time before the watch starts. So till then I'll go to my cabin, take a shower, and then I'll prepare for my watch. We are alongside at Dampier. It's a sunny day. I have completed my watch. Near us both are LNG vessels there, and I am going on another side to show you how the other side of this jetty looks like. So mostly this part is a desert area, and we have some rocks somewhere near us. So most of this rocks looks red in color. So, as you can see that the rocks are red in color. It's winter time here. Temperature is around 24-25 degrees Celsius, but sun is like shining bright. So it's not so hot, not so cold. It's a moderate temperature here, but it's okay to work here. So by I think today is 25th. Tomorrow morning we are departing from Australia, and we are going to China for discharging. So let's see, we have couple of storms also building up. Let's see if something comes in between us. Otherwise we are going at full speed to China, so it will take us around 7 to 8 days. Total distance of China, I have to check the chart, what is the passage plan second officer has made. So let's see, I will update as per the passage plan. What passage plan is there, how much distance we are covering, how much speed we will do, and how much RPM we are going on. So let's see. So cargo 1 grade is already finished, propane is already finished, propane loading we have finished. We will be completing butane in another few hours. So I think tomorrow morning, like some around 12 hours are left for butane also. So after 12 hours we will finish butane, and we will be waiting for pilot timing. So once pilot comes tomorrow morning, we will depart. So by the time I come on watch, pilot will disembark, I guess. But if there is some change in plan, so we will see. So most probably tomorrow morning in my watch, we will be in coastal waters, and we will be proceeding to China at full speed. Mostly LNG vessels are coming here, but very less LPG vessels are coming here. So as you can see, the arms, the loading arms, we are loading propane and butane right now, 2 grades. So propane is coming from here, butane is also coming from here, and then we are loading. So this is the plan for today. We have departed from Dampier, Australia. Day is bright, pilots are away, shades are down because it's too sunny out there, and sea is a little bit rough. You can see wind force is around 5 to 6. But our next port of call is China, Panjin. As you can see, Dampier to China, Panjin, China, and distance from Australia to China is 4050.9. So that means 4051 nautical miles. So we are going at full speed right now. Our set RPM is 97.5, We are doing 15.8 knots right now. Still we have not come to full speed, right? So by the time we come to full speed, we will come to know what speed we are doing at full RPM. So we will go there at full speed, and voyage is approximately of about 9 to 10 days. So let's see what happens in between. We have couple of islands in between. We may have some traffic, some fishing traffic, because in China we generally find lots of traffic fishing. So let's see what happens, and stay tuned. I will see you later.